The incredible health benefits of ginger. Hello, natural health lovers. Today, we're exploring one of the world's most powerful natural remedies, ginger. From healing your stomach to glowing up your skin, ginger has been used for thousands of years. Let's discover what happens when you add this miracle root to your life every day. 1. Boosts digestion, feeling bloated. Nausea. Ginger is your best friend. It stimulates digestive juices, helps food move smoothly in your gut, prevents gas. A warm cup of ginger tea after meals can ease stomach pain and discomfort quickly. Perfect for people with slow digestion or irritable bowel duct. 2. Strengthens immunity. Ginger is packed with antioxidants. That means it helps your body fight off sickness. If you're someone who gets colds often, try taking ginger daily. Gingerol, the active compound, has powerful antiviral and antibacterial properties. Drinking ginger tea or chewing fresh ginger can boost your defense system naturally. 3. Fights inflammation, have joint pain or body aches. Ginger is a natural anti-inflammatory that reduces swelling and pain, especially in people with arthritis. Some studies even show that ginger is as effective as some pain relievers, but without the side effects. 4. Supports our health. Ginger may help lower cholesterol and control blood pressure. That means it protects your heart and reduces the risk of heart disease. Adding a small piece of ginger to your smoothie or juice can be a simple way to care for your heart. 5. Boosts energy and reduces fatigue, feeling tired all the time. Ginger improves blood circulation and boosts your metabolism, giving you more energy naturally. Instead of another cup of coffee, try ginger tea or a ginger shot in the morning. 6. Promotes glowing skin. Ginger is great for your skin. It increases blood flow, which gives your skin a healthy glow. Its antibacterial properties help clear acne and reduce skin irritation. You can even mix ginger juice with honey for a natural face mask. 7. Reduces stress and improves mood. Did you know ginger can help calm your mind? Its aroma and compounds help reduce stress hormones like cortisol. Drinking ginger tea or even inhaling its steam can promote relaxation and boost your mood naturally. Conclusion plus daily use tips. So how can you add ginger to your life today? Drink it as tea, grate it into your soup, blend it into your smoothie, or take it raw with lemon and honey. Just a little ginger a day can do wonders for your health. Thank you for watching. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more natural health tips with Vicheka.